A while back, I got this Bible verse mapping journal, and just today I thought to myself, is this a product that's selling for teens, tweens, or even kids? So let me show you what I found. But first, go ahead and grab some pen, paper, a notebook, because I want you to jot down what I'm about to share with you. I want you to write the following keywords: Bible study verse mapping for kids. Why? Because there are only 91 results under this keyword, and I'm using my KD Spy tool, which I always use whenever I do niche research here on Amazon. Under popularity, it says that a few books are performing well under this keyword. The potential for revenue looks a little average, but I want you to see something. Under competition, the color is green, which means that you can easily compete here for a first page ranking. If you are looking into, maybe you're already working on a devotional or some type of Christian faith-based journal, maybe you could look into this direction because this seems promising. This is a great sub niche that you could look into, especially because creating a Bible study verse mapping journal, it is so simple, it's so easy, and I'm going to share with you what I came up with. Before I share with you my personal design, what I came up with when it comes to like a mapping, Bible verse mapping journal, the cool thing is that it's very simple to create. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and click on a few so you can see. It's a lot of blank spaces, and these spaces are meant for key verses, maybe thoughts that you had, maybe prayers. Look at this one. It says context, different versions, purpose, keywords. This Bible verse mapping PDF, I think it's an instant downloadable file. It's very simple. It has the spaces maybe to input the Bible verse, who wrote it, and it basically helps you embark on a journey of learning about the Word of God. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. It is already a product that sells on Etsy, so people are buying this. And as you can see, this is very simple to do, and I'm going to show you what I came up with. So this is the design that I came up with. I love designing book covers. This was me just messing around with design. And then I came up with this. I thought this was very cool. I went ahead and looked under watercolors, under elements, right? I went and started looking for watercolors. And I'm like, you know what? Instead of doing blocks or squares or rectangles, why not do like small clouds of like watercolor combinations where you can have something like what you see here, where it says Bible verse of the day, prayer. What else did I put? Thoughts. What does this mean? You can have fun with this type of book, and it can be very simple. This can be for teens. And then I came up with this design, which is also similar to what we saw here on Google. And so then here you have those spaces again with the arrows pointing, and then you can either have it completely blank, or you can start creating different and give it different titles on each, maybe whether it's a circle, square, any spaces that you may have. And I also came up with this one right here. This is what's fun and cool about creating this type of like a Bible verse mapping journal, is that it's so simple to create, and you can do this on Canva. And there are so many different variations. You can use different shapes to create this. You can use rectangles, pentagons, stars. You can even use clouds. While I'm recording this video, let's go ahead and you can check under mind mapping. There you go. And you can pull up actually some ideas from here. I'm going to go ahead and use this one, for example. You can go ahead and use something like this. I personally wouldn't use something directly from these mind maps, but I would want to maybe gather some ideas by looking at what's being done here. Or if you do use one, for example, you do use something like this, I would definitely add different circles or maybe different variations of this. But for me, personal preference, and just to be on the safe side when it comes to self-publishing this on Amazon KDP, I would just go to mind mapping here under the graphics just to gain some inspiration for the type of book that I'm trying to create. Maybe change the colors or maybe duplicate it and use several on a page, something like that, just to modify and use different combinations of elements. I mean, there are so many things that we can do. And if you want to learn how to create a Bible verse mapping journal for women, go ahead and check this video over here. I will see you there.